Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check Facebook ads account quality. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, just click on the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you are good to go. Now, checking the quality of your Facebook ad account is essential for a lot of reasons because number one, monitoring the quality of your Facebook ad account allows you to access the performance of your ads accurately by regularly reviewing metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and ad relevance scores. Now, of course, from here you can identify which ads are performing well and which ones needs improvement, because a high quality Facebook ads account can help you achieve better cost efficiency by maximizing your return on investment, which is ROI. Ads with higher relevance scores and engagement tends to cost less and deliver better results, ensuring that you get the most out of your advertising budget. Now, the Facebook ads auction system considers various factors when determining the placement and visibility of ads. Now, in that sense, ad quality is one of these factors, and ads with higher quality scores are more likely to be shown to your target audience. So, checking your account's quality helps ensure that your ads have the best possible chance of reaching out the right people. Now, from here, it's best to use the desktop version because you can always go to the ads manager right here. When you click on the go to ads manager, right? Now from here, as you can see, monitoring the quality of your Facebook ads account helps you maintain its overall health, right? By identifying and addressing the issues such as low ad relevance scores, ad disapprovals, or policy violations promptly, you can prevent account suspensions or penalties that could disrupt your advertising campaigns. Because for one, poor quality ads can impact your brand's reputation and credibility, and irrelevant or misleading low quality ads may annoy or alienate your target audience, leading to a negative associations with their brand. So checking your ad account's quality ensures that your ads align with your brand's values and messaging, helping to protect and enhance your brand reputation. Now, from here, if you don't have a campaign yet, you might want to go here and check all the information such as your campaign, deliverables, and a lot more. All right. So remember all of that. And you can always access this if you're using a mobile device. Just go in this part. Now, once you are here, all you have to do is hover down in the left side panel and click on Ads Manager. So that's one of the ways for you to be able to access the Ads Manager if you're using a mobile app. All right. Then again, just click on the Ads Manager from here, and you will be directed to the same page earlier. Okay. Now, remember that checking the quality of your Facebook ads account is crucial for optimizing ad performance, maximizing cost efficiency, and of course, enhancing user experience by preserving brand reputation, ensuring compliance with policies, and identifying opportunities for optimization and improvement. What will happen is you can implement targeted strategies to enhance ad quality, increase engagement, and drive better results over time. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.